Welcome to LuLu Kids! Come and sing with us! Time for a new adventure! Let's go learn! Yes, a new lesson! Welcome to Safety Kids Club! Think first, stay safe, smile bright. No, Leo, that's not safe.
Reaches for something
Okay,
bright.
Lulu.
On the counter, shiny and light. Lulu says, wait, stop right there. That's a knife, we must take care. Lulu, Leo, Lily too. Join the Careful Kids Club, me and you. Some things at home can cause a scare. Let's learn what's safe and show we care. Knives are sharp, so let them be. Only grown-ups, 1, 2, 3. Stoops get hot, don't touch, don't play. Careful kids, stay safe each day. Scissors, peelers, tools we see. They're not toys for you and me. Look with eyes and keep away. Safety helps us laugh and play. Careful kids, look but don't touch. Some things at home can hurt so much. Careful kids, ask a grown-up first. Safety habits are the very best. Hands behind your back, hooray! Safe choices help us every day. Outlets buzz with power inside. Fingers and forks should stay outside. Cords and wires leave alone. Careful kids know they're not our own. The owl swoops down and asks with glee if a pot is steaming, bubbling hot. Should you touch it or maybe not? Ask a grown-up. Fantastic! They're safety stars. Thinking first is very smart. Careful kids, look but don't touch. Some things at home can hurt so much. Careful kids, ask a grown-up first. Safety habits are the very best. Bottles under the sink so bright may look fun, but that's not right. Medicine too is not a treat. Only grown-ups say when it's safe to eat. If you don't know what something is, don't smell, taste, or touch it, kids. If you see something that gives a scare, don't touch it, just tell someone there. Mommy, Daddy, come look, please. That's the smartest safety guarantee. Say don't touch, don't touch. Say tell a grown-up, tell a grown-up. Say safety first, safety fun. We're careful kids. Yes, we are. Safe fun, safety, safe choices can be thinking first and do. Safety starts with me and you. Stairs are steep, hold the rail one step at a time without a fail. Windows stay closed unless grown-ups say. Careful kids, stay safe each day.
Look how careful we
How
can be.
careful
Safe at
we
home
can
for all
be.
to see.
Safe
The
at
Careful
home
Kids
for
Club
all
saves
to
the
see.
day.
The Careful Kids Club saves the day. Hip hip hooray, let's shout and sing. We're safety stars. Sound the song. We stay careful, safe and sound. Careful kids, the best around. We stay careful, me and you. Home safety through and through. Clap your hands, smile so bright. We made safe choices day and night. I promise I'll be safe each day. Think before I jump and play. If I'm not sure what I should do, I'll ask the grown-up. That's what I'll do. Lulu, Leo, Lily too. Careful Kids Club, me and you. Think first, stay safe. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Safety star, safety for all.
Don't touch! Some things are not toys. Let grown-ups handle them. Don't touch.
Don't touch.
These can hurt you, so we look, but we don't touch.
Stay back. Stay safe.
Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Some things are not toys. Let grown-ups handle them.
Don't touch.
Safety first.
Thanks for watching, friends. We had so much fun today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to LuLu Kids.
Remember, little friends, keep smiling, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.